Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find this window of Telegram as you see, and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.